Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is M. Lahsul Zikri, and today I will explain about advertising versus quality. Okay, what is the case about? So, we will talk about Professor Farrow coaching class. Career Circle is the coaching class started by Professor Farrow after retirement from the Redwood City College. He proposed to provide in-depth and professional coaching to candidates appearing for all types of the competitive examination. Professor Farrell has made a deep study of the pattern of the question paper of the various competitive examinations and found a few common features. The areas of the quantity aptitude, verbal ability, logical reasoning, and reading 14 comprehension have been pinpointed by Farrell, in which Career Circle shall provide classroom coaching. Professor Farrell has drawn up an ambitious advertisement campaign for a high-pitch marketing of these classes. However, his friend Professor Kelly have opinion that Professor Farrell should spend more on the development of proper classroom infrastructure and in paying higher salary to quality teaching staff instead of advertising. Oke, jadi case kali ini ialah kelas pelatihan Profesor Vero. Career Circle merupakan kelas pelatihan yang didirikan oleh Profesor Vero setelah dia pensiun mengajar di perguruan tinggi. Dia menawarkan jasa mengajar secara profesional dan mendalam untuk berbagai kalangan yang ingin menempuh ujian. Profesor Vero telah melakukan studi secara mendalam mengenai pola-pola pertanyaan yang ada di ujian tertulis dan menemukan berbagai fitur, yakni bakat kuantitatif, kemampuan verbal, penalaran logis, dan membaca 14 pemahaman telah ditunjuk oleh Vero sebagai nilai utama pada bisnis kelas pelatihannya. Profesor Vero telah berusaha mengiklankan bisnis kelasnya ke berbagai tempat. Namun, Profesor Kelly, temannya, menyarankan Profesor Vero agar mengeluarkan lebih banyak uang untuk pengembangan infrastruktur ruang kelasnya dan membayar staf pengajar yang berkualitas daripada untuk beriklan. Professor Vero is unable to decide his priorities and asks for your opinion. First is, with whom do you agree and why? The second is, what will be your advice to Professor Vero? With whom do you agree and why? I agree with the Professor Kelly because by spending more money on service quality will deliver both on employees and customer satisfaction, which potentially can bring customer loyalty, and then the overall value of the service will increase significantly. So, Professor Fowler must prioritize service quality. He should hire the quality teaching staff with high salary to satisfy them, which they can perform the best service that they could to the customer. And with the developing proper classroom infrastructure will bring the best service feature to the customer. And then that will attract more customer through positive word of mouth, which means the overall value of the service that Professor Fellow provides will increase significantly. Jadi, Profesor Fellow harus memprioritaskan kualitas pelayanan. Dia sebaiknya memperkerjakan staf pengajar berkualitas dengan upah yang tinggi, dengan harapan mereka akan merasa nyaman untuk bekerja memberikan pelayanan terbaik yang bisa mereka berikan kepada pelanggan. Dan dengan pengembangan infrastruktur kelas yang baik akan memberikan fitur pelayanan terbaik untuk pelanggan. Lalu, mereka akan menarik para pelanggan lainnya dengan testimoni yang positif, yang mana nilai pelayanan secara keseluruhan dari Profesor Fellow akan meningkat secara signifikan. What will be your advice to Professor Farrell? Professor Farrell so prefer the service quality over advertising, decreasing customer expectation of what the service should deliver are the best solution, so Professor Farrell too, because it was a long-term type of service. As we know, the coaching class can be categorized as the long-term profit service. Customer will likely calculate their service payment equity, the perceived service benefit in relationship to the service cost. In other words, customer will ask themselves, am I using this service enough given what I pay for it? A negative response will lead to change in behavior and possible termination of service. Seperti yang kita tahu, kelas pelatihan dapat dikategorikan sebagai pelayanan dengan jangka panjang. Pelanggan akan menghitung nilai untung dan rugi dari suatu pelayanan. Keuntungan pelayanan yang mereka rasakan dapat berhubungan dengan biaya pelayanan, atau dapat dikatakan pelanggan akan berpikir kembali, apakah pelayanan ini cukup aku gunakan? Apakah ini sesuai dengan apa yang aku bayarkan? Respon negatif akan menimbulkan perasaan berubah pikiran dan dapat berakibat berhenti menggunakan pelayanan tersebut. Okay, I think that's all for today. I'm sorry if there are some mistakes about my presentation. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.